Hi home buyers! Nagbabalik ang inyong likod, Jersey. So the topic that I'll be discussing today is about yung sino ba yung mga eligible to acquire for the Pag-ibig housing loan. Alam ko maraming naglalabas ng video or nagtuturo tungkol dito, but we still need to tackle this para mas maunawaan and a continuous reminder na rin para sa ating mga kapwa home buyers. So, Pag-ibig Housing Loan ay isa sa financial scheme na pwedeng gamitin kapag kumukuha tayo ng isang property. What are the qualifications of a person to become eligible to use the Pag-ibig Housing Loan? First criteria is the age. Person who are not be more than 65 years old on the date of the loan application and not be more than 70 years old on the date of the loan maturity. Dito, may dalawang statement na dapat maintindihan ang mga home buyers. First one is yung not be more than 65 years old on the date of the loan application. Dito, kailangan